Hey, what's good? I have here a screen protector from Magic John for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now, this is one of the very unique screen protectors that are out, very easy to assemble, but there are specific instructions you need to follow. So let's get to it. Inside of the box, you do get two kits, cleaning kits, squeegee, pretty much your standard stuff. Let's get everything out. So first off, got your cleaning kit. You're going to need it for this installation. Got your microfiber cloth, a wet wipe, and a dust removal sticker. All right, we're going to clean the display. You want all fingerprints removed, any type of marks or anything. Follow up with the microfiber cloth. Make sure there's no wet spots left, and you want a nice dry surface. And you want to use the dust removal sticker to take the display. Once that's done, you want to take the screen protector. You want to put it on there. Now, this is where the instructions come in at. You need to hold it up top when you move the first dust, the tab at the bottom. Do not hold it in the middle. Do not hold it on the bottom. It will affect the way the display, the screen protector adhere to the display. So you hold it up here by the top, remove the dust. Once you remove that, you want to swipe on the bottom. Once you swipe on the bottom, you want to hold the frame up top again. Remove the sticker. That should start the adhering. It should go about halfway. Once it's at the halfway mark, you have to remove from the bottom. Don't remove from the top, remove from the bottom. Hold this again if you have to. As you can see, it finished adhering to the screen. Then what you want to do is remove the sticker. If there were any bubbles involved, you would use the squeegee to remove any bubbles off to the side. Perfect installation, didn't need it. It adhered perfectly. And there you have it. Yes, the Magic John screen protector does retail for $16.99 as of the filming of this video. By all means, hit my links down below. If there's any additional discounts there, please take advantage of it to get it at a much cheaper price. But as of the filming of this video, this 2 screen protector setup is for $16.99. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, leave your comments down below. I will leave the links to these cases if you're interested in them. Again, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Catch you in the next video. I'm out.